Hey guys, welcome to my kitchen. I wanted to show you guys a couple of hacks that I've learned since I've been on my Zepbound journey. One of my absolute favorite hacks is cherry soda. And how I make that is, you see there's this Perrier water. This particular water has 0 calories. And it's basically just a sparkling water. Really good. And the little Kool-Aid mixture. And this also has 0 calories. You guys, this tastes just like cherry soda. And I'm just gonna kind of mix it up really quick so you guys can see. Put a little of the cherry flavored Kool-Aid in there. And then I just stir it up. You guys, this is so good and so refreshing. 0 calories. So good. You guys are gonna enjoy this. Try it and let me know what you think. You know what? We all love ranch dressing. But ranch dressing has 130 calories for every 2 tablespoons. That's like a lot of calories just for a dressing or some sort of a dip. But this is what I have learned to do. Check this out. We have our Chobani Greek yogurt, just plain. And I've already used like half of it, so there's half of it left. And this whole container is 80 calories. So I'm just gonna roughly say there's about a little less than half, but let's just go ahead and say half for good measure. So that's 40 calories. And then I use the ranch dip packet. And this packet has 5 calories. Can you guys see that? 5 calories for every half teaspoon. So there's about a half teaspoon left in here, but let's just go ahead and see. It's a little more than a half, but I went ahead and measured out that half teaspoon, and then I'm just gonna put it in and stir it up. And this is ranch dressing. Not only is it very low calorie, but also it has protein because of the Greek yogurt. So it is a healthy snack and it has some protein in it. So what I do is I grab my cucumbers, just put that on there, and I have a really good, healthy, low calorie snack that provides protein. So you guys should check it out. Put a little bit of salt and pepper on your cucumbers and dip it in your ranch. Delicious snack. You guys should try it. You will definitely like it. And it kind of gives you the sense of having some sort of a cheat day or a cheap snack. Check it out. Really good. So I love potato chips. Any kind of chip. Potato chips, corn chips, sweet potato chips, any kind of chip I love. So with this Zepbound journey, that's one thing that I've really been craving and missing. So I'm gonna show you guys what I do instead. Take a look. This is pepper jack cheese. And this is extra sharp cheddar. I'm not gonna put any seasoning in here, although you can, if that's, you know, if you like a little extra onion powder or garlic powder. But for me, the cheeses have enough flavor already, so I'm not gonna put any seasoning on them. And as you can see, the pepper jack browns a little bit quicker than the cheddar does. So my next batch that I'm gonna put in, I'm gonna put either all cheddar or all pepper jack. These stayed in for 16 minutes and they're really crispy. I'll show you guys how crispy in just a second. Okay guys, so they are 100% ready, and here they are. I'm gonna put them up a little bit close up so you can take a look. And they are delicious. You know what? The longer they're in the oven, the better. So even though they kind of look like they're getting a little bit too brown, let them go just a little bit further, because that's what makes them really crispy. And you see they look really good. And they are good. Really crispy. They taste like Cheez-Its. So give them a try, guys. You'll like them. High protein, low calorie snack. I'm gonna weigh them in just a few seconds. Take a look down here at the bottom and I'll let you know roughly how much each of these are calorie wise and protein wise per snack. So try them out, let me know what you think. Hey guys, there's another one that I really like. It's kind of like a faux Thousand Island dressing. I use the light sour cream, and it's probably, I don't know if you can see that, but it has 35 calories for every 2 tablespoons. So I'm gonna put roughly 2 tablespoons in my little bowl here. That's roughly about 2 tablespoons. And I'm gonna add a little bit of the Melinda Sriracha. And this has 0, I don't know if you can see that nutritional fact, but it has 0 calories. So I'm gonna put a little bit of that in there. And I don't know if you guys like spicy. I like it a little bit spicy. So I'm gonna put that into the light sour cream. And of course, just put in based on your liking. And that's, for me, it's about like that much. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of the sweet relish. And this, you guys, has 10 calories for every tablespoon. So I'm gonna put 1 tablespoon of the relish. Okay. I'm gonna put that into my, I'm gonna give it a stir. And there you have it, guys. It's like a low-calorie Thousand Island dressing. You can use it for a dip, a sandwich, whatever you like. It's really tasty too. Tastes just like Thousand Island dressing, but it's spicy. So if you like it spicy, this is the dip to make. Still low calorie. You can also try this recipe with Greek yogurt. I was just out of Greek yogurt. I used my last Greek yogurt on the ranch dip. But if you use the Greek yogurt, then you have some protein content as well. So try this. This is really good, especially if you like spicy stuff. This is great. So you guys let me know what you think. You can also put this on salads. So if you want to make a quick salad, put a quick dressing on, this is a perfect alternative. You guys try it, okay? And you guys let me know what you think. Guys, also, I know I told you guys this. I've told you guys this in the past, but I'm not a coffee drinker. Never have been, but I do like to have certain things in the morning when I wake up. Sometimes I'll have tea, but sometimes when I just want something really quick and keep the calories as low as possible, I'll have this. And what I do is I'll just take a glass and take a little bit, hold on just a second, let me get this open. I'll take a glass and I'll have about a cup of almond milk, which is about 30 calories per cup. So let's just say that's about a cup. And then I use this skinny syrup. It has this is Carmel Pecan. I don't know if you can see that. This is Caramel Pecan, and it tastes really good. So I'm just gonna put, you know, as much of this in there as I like. Sometimes I like it light, sometimes I like it a little heavy, so it just depends on how I'm feeling. And I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit of that in there. Then I'm gonna take my straw and stir it up. And you know, the best part about this drink, you guys, is that you can have it both hot and cold. So if you want like something hot, you can just put it in your coffee cup, put it in the microwave, warm it up. But since it's summertime, I like to have mine over ice. Give it a try, you guys. It's really good. Starbucks at home. Really good. So let me know what you think after you guys give it a try. Put it down in the comments and tell me if you like this skinny syrup. Sometimes if you put a little bit too much skinny syrup in here, it'll have that, you know, that weird diet soda taste. So I try to keep it as light as possible so the almond milk could actually come through. But it's a really nice treat, and it's only 30 calories.